FastComet Cloud Hosting. 12 things you need to know before buying. If you're considering FastComet as your web hosting solution, there are a few things you need to know before you make a decision. We're going to break down 12 key aspects, comparing it to other hosting providers to help you decide if FastComet is right for you. First thing you'll notice about FastComet is their pricing. While they may seem a bit pricier than the likes of HostGator or Bluehost, the value you get for that price is far better in some areas. FastComet offers a lot of features that other hosts charge extra for, like free daily backups, a free CDN, and free website migrations. These can make a huge difference in terms of cost savings long term. Next thing to consider is their performance. FastComet's cloud hosting is powered by SSD storage, which is significantly faster than traditional HDDs, giving you better load times and improved site speed. Compared to entry-level hosting options like Bluehost, which offers basic shared hosting with slower speeds, FastComet's cloud plans offer a much smoother experience for sites that expect more traffic. The third thing is their customer support. FastComet's support is highly rated, available 24/7, and includes live chat, tickets, and phone support. This is a strong point compared to many other services like SiteGround, where support may not always be as responsive at times. The fourth thing is the user interface. FastComet provides a custom-built cPanel interface that's easy to navigate. Unlike some other hosts that may use a standard cPanel, FastComet's system is more intuitive and visually appealing, which can save you time and frustration when managing your hosting account. Fifth on the list is their server locations. FastComet offers a wide range of data centers across the globe, including in the US, Europe, and Asia. This is an advantage over providers like GoDaddy, which have fewer server locations and may result in slower loading times depending on where your audience is located. The sixth thing to note is scalability. FastComet allows you to easily upgrade your hosting plan as your website grows, ensuring that you won't outgrow your hosting environment too quickly. Unlike budget hosts, like A2 Hosting, who may make it harder to scale without significant price increases, FastComet makes it a smooth transition to bigger plans. Next thing is their security features. FastComet includes free SSL certificates, daily backups, and malware removal as part of all their plans. While some hosts, like Hostinger, charge extra for advanced security options, FastComet includes them in their base packages, offering good value for security-conscious website owners. The eighth thing to know is their uptime guarantee. FastComet guarantees 99.9% uptime, which is on par with industry leaders like SiteGround. This means your website will stay up and running without significant interruptions, a must for anyone who wants to avoid revenue loss due to downtime. The ninth thing is their free migrations. If you're already hosting elsewhere, FastComet will migrate your website to their platform for free. This is a huge advantage compared to many other hosting providers who charge for migration services or offer limited free transfers. 10th, let's talk about the money-back guarantee. FastComet offers a 45-day money-back guarantee, which is longer than many other hosting services like Bluehost that only offer 30 days. This gives you more time to test their service and ensure it's the right fit for your needs. The 11th thing to consider is the renewal prices. Like many other hosting providers, FastComet has promotional pricing that's lower for the first term, but after renewal, prices can rise significantly. This is something you'll need to be prepared for, especially if you're on a tight budget. And finally, the 12th thing to know is their overall reputation. FastComet is generally well regarded by users for its solid performance, customer support, and great value for money. However, if you're looking for a host with more specialized features, like advanced WordPress optimizations or certain integrations, there may be other options that better suit your needs. Overall, FastComet Cloud Hosting is a solid choice if you're looking for reliable, scalable hosting with great customer support. But if you're looking for a slightly better deal with even more features, we recommend checking out our top hosting solution that you can try for free. That's it for today.